Sometimes if we open a complex file in Illustrator, you might get some slow performance issue. Depending upon the complexity, we can change the artwork to outline mode. Outline view hides paint attributes, displaying the artwork as unfilled paths. Working in outline view can speed the display of complex artwork that contains gradients or patterns. Outline view also makes editing objects hidden behind other filled objects easier. Hide the layers of the complex artwork by going to Window greater than Layer and click on an eye icon with the layers. Use the Layers panel to organize and modify the artwork. When you hide layers and thumbnails that contain complex artwork or high-resolution bitmap images, Illustrator redraws the screen faster. Change the row size of the layers smaller by clicking on the horizontal lines on the top right side of the Layers panel and click on Panel option and change the row size to small. Simplify the artwork by selecting all the artwork. Go to Object greater than Path greater than Simplify. If you have the image embedded in an Illustrator file, you may unembed them by clicking on Window, greater than Link, greater than select the link and click on the horizontal lines on the top right side of the Links panel and click on Unembed. Embedded bitmap images, for example, TIFF, BMP, or Photoshop EPS, can dramatically increase the size of an Illustrator document, causing slower performance. To improve performance, enable the Link option when you place a bitmap image. The Link option references the placed image on the hard disk.